Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can incorporate beads into your macrame projects using a fun little vertical lark's head knot pattern. Let's get started. To begin, I just went ahead and attached 2 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now take the middle left cord and tie it around the far left cord with a vertical lark's head knot. Now take the middle right cord and tie it around the far right cord with another vertical lark's head knot. Slide your bead onto the 2 cords in the middle. Now we're going to repeat those vertical lark's head knots the same way. So that middle left cord ties around the far left cord. Middle right ties around the far right. Slide your bead onto the 2 cords in the middle. And just repeat the same steps over and over again until you have reached the desired length. And there we go. This is a great way that you can incorporate beads into your macrame projects using a very simple lark's head knot design. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.